AI is everywhere, and nowadays it's so important to know how to write good prompts. In today's video, I'm going to show you free prompt generator. Hey guys, my name is Vlad, and this is my new video. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. I'm really happy to see all of you again today. In my new video, we're gonna talk about free prompt generator. It could help you with many different things, but the most important is can help you give to AI good instructions. If you are ready, then watch this video till the end and you will know where to find that free prompt generator and how to use it. Are you ready? Then let's get started. To get access to free prompt generator from OpenAI, you need to open website platform.openai.com. Then you have to sign up if you haven't signed up yet. If you have ChatGPT account, you can use it, so you don't have to sign up. Just log in. But if you don't have any account, you have to create one. If you have ChatGPT account, go to previous screen and then click login button. After login, you will end up on OpenAI developer platform. This is the place where you can find this free prompt generator. At the top right corner, click Playground, then select System Instructions. After that, click this Generate button, and then you can write your first simple prompt here. So basically, you need to give the simple instructions for the model, and then the model will give complex instruction that you can use, for example, to create custom GPT. You can just copy entire prompt that AI will give you and use it together with the question. Let me demonstrate for you what it's gonna do with my simple instruction. As you could see, I'll get really complex instruction that I can pass to the AI. It could be ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, or any other. And of course, you can modify this instruction the way you like. Okay, let me try to copy this instruction and paste it into ChatGPT. Okay, I copied it and now I paste it into ChatGPT. Let me add a topic of my video and send this instruction to ChatGPT. And here's the result. As you could see, ChatGPT followed my instructions and it gave me the result the way I asked. With this free prompt generator, you can create custom instructions that will be really detailed. You can use it for Midjourney, DALL-E, Claude, Leonardo, any other AIs. Let me show you the example that I generate for Midjourney. And as you could see, the instruction is really good. A lot of details, a lot of information that it should follow. And now you can use it inside ChatGPT or any other AI tool to generate the prompt for Midjourney, Leonardo, or any other image tool. You also could get a code, for example, for your Python application or Node.js application. And you can use this code with your custom instruction and different parameter to ask ChatGPT anything. Also in this interface, you have the ability to compare the responses from different models that ChatGPT supports. So you can compare the results from different models. But keep in mind, this functionality is not free. Prompt generator is free, but any request that you are planning to do to OpenAI will apply certain charge. That's it. As you can see, it's so easy to use and it's so simple, and it could help you save a lot of time. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. Click like, share your feedback and comments below, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let me know what you don't like. Please watch my other videos because they are really useful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.